how to store data and represent that data in the computer memory. How will you store this map inside the computer memory? You will admire the subject of data structure because I will demonstrate one more method that can be used for representing this road map in the computer memory. Bad programmers worry about the code, and good programmers worry about data structures and their relationship. I would like to start this video with a very basic question. Why do we write computer programs? I am sure you are wondering that why am I asking such a fundamental question, and I am also sure that you all have already given the correct answer. Well, we programmers write programs to process the data. Programs exist because data exists. What comes first, chicken or egg? It is a very difficult question to be answered, isn't it? But what comes first in your mind, data or program? It is very simple question. Of course, the data comes first in our mind. Before writing a program, we must understand, analyze and store the data in computer memory. So here is the point. The subject of data structure will teach us about how to store data and represent that data in the computer memory. Your program will be efficient, fast and reliable only if the data has been efficiently stored. Data structure simply means how to store data in the computer memory, or how is the data organized inside the computer memory. Hello friends, I am Samir Velankar working at Shikuya, and I will try to tell you the importance of data structures in programming. I hope that you will be convinced. Let us take an example to understand the need of data structure. But before going further, if you want to learn more about data structure, do visit our website or download our app named Shikuya. Link is given in the description. Let's start the example. Here is the road map of some city. The locations are shown as pins and are numbered as location 1, location 2 and so on. The road distance between the various locations are also shown. As you can see, road distance between location 1 and location 2 is 10. Also, the road distance between location 1 and 4 is 25. And you can also see that the road distance between various locations is given. Well, how will you store this map inside the computer memory? Will you store this image? Oh, no. You won't be storing the image file and expect your program to work on the image file. This is how your map will be stored in the memory. This is a matrix, also called adjacency matrix, filled with distances between various locations. As an example, row 1 and column 2 has value 10 because the road distance between location 1 and 2 is indeed 10. Also check that row 1 and column 4 of the matrix has value 25. You can confirm that distance between 1 and 4 is indeed 25. Similarly, row 2 and column 7 has value 9. Note that row 1 and column 3 is 0 because there is no direct connectivity between location 1 and 3. You must pass through location 2 or 4 in order to reach location 3. Similarly, 3 and 5 are also not directly connected by a road. Hence, 3 and 5 is storing a 0 value. Perfect! This matrix perfectly represents the road map inside the computer memory. Hence, this matrix is a data structure that will be used for storing the map in the computer memory. The point to be understood here is real-world objects such as road maps appear completely different inside the computer memory. The subject of data structure will teach us about how to store these real-world objects inside the computer memory. You will admire the subject of data structure because I will demonstrate one more method that can be used for representing this road map in the computer memory. The road map can be stored in the form of an adjacency list. Just look at the top numbering 1, 2, 3 up to 7. We have numbered up to 7 because there are 7 locations in the map. Look at the map and find out the locations that are neighbors of location 1. As you can see, location 1 and 2 are connected with a road having a distance 10. Hence, there is a node numbered 2 with distance 10 in the list of location 1. Similarly, location 1 has a road up to location 4 having a distance 25. Hence, there is a node numbered 4 and distance 25 in the list of location 1. Note that location 3, 5 and 7 are not there in the list of location 1 because there is no road connecting location 1 with these locations. I am sure you can figure out what will be the list for location number 4. The list will contain locations 1, 3 and 5 with respective distances. The point to be understood here is real world data about a road map of a city needs to be represented for the use of computer programs by using data structures. We all must have the skill to map and represent the real world data, yes, the data, so that it can be stored inside the computer memory. Tim Berners-Lee, the creator of World Wide Web WWW, had once said that data is a precious thing and will last longer than the systems and softwares themselves. The creator of Linux operating system had once said that bad programmers worry about the code and good programmers worry about data structures and their relationship. Today's world of programming is all about artificial intelligence and data science. These technologies rely highly on data. Due to these reasons, it is quite obvious that the subject called data structure is so important. A programmer will be skillful only if he/she knows what data structure is. Everyone must know these facts. First, programming is impossible without data structures. Second, data structures are extremely important in the industry. Third, you will be favorite candidate to be hired if you know data structures. It is really fascinating and truly a joyful experience to learn about how the objects in the real world are represented inside the computer memory. I am sure you are motivated to learn data structure after watching this video. Thanks for watching. Please download Shikuya app and also do subscribe, like and share this video.